We should always understand that the tourists are coming here to enjoy. Yes or no? Yes. Yeah. So they are coming to enjoy. But if by mistake they commit small mistakes, we have no right to hammer them. We have no right to have, even if they commit small mistakes, we cannot assault them, because we should understand that they come here to see scenery, beaches, and along with that they sometimes drink alcohol, and sometimes they lose their patience, and then there is some mistake happen, but small accidents and everything happens. But if such accident happens, you are supposed to report to police station. You can call 112 and the police will come there, rather than you hammer them, you just force them to transfer money for damages caused to scooter or car. It is you are no one to forcefully take the money from the tourist and tell them to Google Pay.